Welcome to Extreme Controls and Automation Private Limited. We brought a new vending machine, that is tea coffee vending machine for this winter season. And this is the 3-lane coffee vending machine, instant premix based coffee vending machine. It have capacity to stack 3 canisters and 3 lanes. So this is 3-channel coffee vending machine. This one is a 2-lane coffee vending machine. You can see like this canister, and in this canister premix is feed like this, and just inside, and it is ready to take drink. So after that, we need to power on. We power on this 3-lane machine, and this machine having water option from bubble top at the top side, and this particular model have also on demand. We can give external pump that will suck the water required for taking drink. So how does it work? This is our wonderful payment system QR master connected with this. It facilitates this machine for individual pricing. So consider for this we put 20 rupees for coffee, 10 rupees for tea, and 30 rupees for soup. So it is very simple. If we scan and pay for coffee, we take coffee. If we scan for tea, we can take tea. If we press button of soup or coffee, it will not be vend. So here is the QR code. I scanned from my QR wallet, and just I am paying for tea 10 rupees. This payment system received the payment. This is connected over the Wi-Fi network with your local router. It requires internet over the Wi-Fi, and now payment is arrived, and you can see select your choice is coming. Now if we press button tea, we can take tea. Let's try to take another button like coffee. We are pressing, not coming. Soup is not coming. Tea is coming. Similarly, now we pay. Now we scan again for coffee. So for coffee the price is 20 rupees. We pay 20 rupees and just do the payment. Now payment is done. Payment is arrived, and if we try to take coffee, it will not come. If we try to take soup, it will not come. Only coffee can come. Now if you want to take soup, once again we simply scan and pay the amount for soup. So we are doing payment. Payment is done. Now we see the payment is received 30 rupees. Now if we try to take coffee, it will not come. Try to take tea, it will not come. Now we take soup, just we press and drink is coming. So by this way you can set your individual price for individual lane and take the desired drink. You can use this machine for manless vending, and in such places where people will come and scan and take their desired drink with individual price. So this is very robust machine, having life expectancy up to 10 to 12 years. Very easily it is achieved, and this machine is very reliable, made of totally metal, so no damage, and performance is very consistent. So we hope you give us good order and place us orders, like us, subscribe us for meeting in new video with new products. Thank you.